Congratulations, boys and girls, you have completed lesson 1, which means you know the different parts of an analog clock. You know the difference between a digital clock and an analog clock. If you do not know these, you need to go back to lesson 1 and review the material. But we are on lesson 2 now, and always remember you're always going to start at the top and work your way down to the different activities. So this first lesson, this first video I'm going to provide to you is just a practice lesson, and we're going to learn how to tell time to the hour. So I want everybody to go ahead and click this link, and you will come up with the clock that you're very familiar with. And what we're going to do is we're going to do activities where we're telling everything to the hour. So what that means is the minute hand is always going to be on the 12. And when you see that the minute hand is on the 12 or the long hand is on the 12, you're always going to say o'clock. So currently, the hour hand is pointing to the 5. So it'd be 5 o'clock. If I move this, now it is 7 o'clock. I would like everybody to pause their video, click that link, and make their clock look like 7 o'clock. You should now have your hour hand on your 7 and your minute hand on the 12. Now I'd like you to move your hands, and I would like you to make the next time of 10 o'clock. Go ahead and pause the video. Now you should have your hour hand on the 10 and your minute hand should be on the 12. So now it is currently 10 o'clock. Let's do another one. How about 1 o'clock? Pause the video and move your hour hand, or your hour hand should be on the 1 and your minute hand should be on the 12. Now it is 1 o'clock. Good. Let's do a few more. Let's go back and do 11 o'clock. You can either move your mouse all the way around to the 11, or you could go backwards as well, but remember, a clock does not do that. So currently, pause your video, make sure you get to 11 o'clock. Your hour hand should be on the 11, and your minute hand should be on the 12. Remember, your minute hand will always stay on the 12 when we were talking about the hour, when we're talking about o'clock. Let's do 6 o'clock. Pause your video. And now you should see 6 o'clock. If you think you have a good grasp on this, you should move on to the next activity. If you need more practice, rewatch this video and practice a few more times. Good job, everybody. Keep working hard.